Today's video is one of the most effective recipes that can help stop hair fall and also promote hair growth. The trick is you just have to know the right way to use it, and I'm going to show you all that in this video. I learned the hard way not to use too much chemicals on my hair, so I ended up cutting my hair and I started growing it all over again, but it was breaking a lot till I discovered natural ingredients. Now my hair is flourishing, it's growing much thicker and fuller, and today I'm going to show you one of the amazing hair growth recipes using only natural ingredients that can help stop hair breakages and boost your hair growth. Let's get into this video. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and to all my returning subscribers, you know how much I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. Today's recipe, we will need some carrot. Carrots are really great when it comes to hair growth. It contains some beta carotene that will help soften your hair and also prevent hair breakages. It also contains vitamin A and E, which stimulates hair growth and also strengthen your hair roots. So I started by chopping my carrots into little pieces. But here you are, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And when you do subscribe, do not forget to click on the bell. My next ingredient is flax seeds. Flax seeds are also great when it comes to hair growth. It contains nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B and E, which are all great for hair growth. Flax seeds, when added to your hair growth regimen, will help make detangling your hair so much easier and also prevent hair breakages. It is also going to treat your scalp and help you grow much thicker and healthier hair. I added about 3 tablespoons of my flax seeds to my carrots, then I added some water to it, about 4 cups of water. There is no measurement to it, just top it up so that the carrots can be boiled to a very soft texture. So at this point I transfer it to a stove and I'm going to allow it to boil for about 5 to 8 minutes. It depends on your carrots. As soon as you see your carrots are really tender to touch, or you see the water has thickened up, then it is time to set off the fire. At this point, I'm going to strain this recipe whilst it is still hot. Do not wait for your recipe to cool down, because when it cools down, it's going to thicken up and it's going to be hard for you to strain. So the next ingredient for today's recipe is my avocados. It contains biotin, which is great for hair growth. Hair health begins from the scalp. Avocado will treat your scalp to make your scalp healthy, which in return will help you grow new healthy hair. The next ingredient for today's recipe is the rosemary herbs. Feel free to use the dry rosemary if that is all you have. It is going to treat your scalp from dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any scalp issues that you might be having. Rosemary can also strengthen your hair strands and prevent it from breaking. At this point, I'm going to transfer everything into my blender, and I am not going to add water, but I'm going to add some of the flaxseed gel. Make sure to save some of your flaxseed gel. Do not add it all. I just love the look of the flaxseed gel. Alright, so I added some of the flaxseed gel. Then I'm going to cover it up and I'm going to blend it away like no one's business. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. This is what we have now. There are a few ingredients we need to add to this hair mask. My next ingredient is the moringa powder. Moringa contains vitamin A, B, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. And these are all great when it comes to hair growth. It is also going to treat your scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. I only added about half a tablespoon of my moringa powder because too much moringa will make this mask so thick and you do not want that. So make sure you're not adding too much than you need. You can also substitute the moringa powder with neem powder, amla powder, or any herbs powder that you find beneficial for your hair growth. But I chose to add moringa because I love what it does to my hair. At this point, I'm going to strain it. This point is really important. Do not put this hair mask in your hair without straining it. This hair mask is super effective, but the trick is you just have to know the right way to use it. Otherwise, you will not get all the benefit. And guess what? I'm going to show you all the tricks in using this hair growth mask. I'm also going to add my oil. I chose to add my olive oil today. Olive oil can strengthen your hair strands and also treat your scalp from dandruff. So this is the leftover of my flaxseed gel, and this is the time to add it. I didn't add it whilst I was blending it because whilst blending it, it's going to lose all its sliminess. So it is important to leave some and add it at the last minute. And just look at how this is all looking. I just love it. Alright, so I'm going to show you the best way to apply this hair mask to get all its benefit. But before getting into all that, if you haven't done so already, I will appreciate it a lot if you can give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're new here, I hope you will subscribe and click on the bell so you can see more amazing hair growth recipes from me. And I just love to read your comments, so make sure to leave me your thoughts on this hair growth mask in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to reply to you. Whenever you're using this hair growth mask, make sure your hair is clean. First, shampoo, wash your hair. Then after that, work in sections. Use your fingers to detangle the hair so every part of your hair can have some of this great, amazing hair growth mask. Massage it into your scalp, into your hair strands, and after that, put that section in a twist to return in the moisture. After working at every part of your hair, put a rubber cap on your hair for about 45 minutes. Then after that, rinse it out with water. Go ahead to condition your hair, and after that, moisturize your hair and put your hair in a protective hairstyle to return all the moisture. It is really great to be consistent with this recipe in order to get an amazing result. So do not just do it once and expect your hair to grow, but make sure you are consistent with it. It is also important to take care of your inside as you take care of your outside. Make sure you are eating healthy, drinking a lot of water, and making sure you are not lacking any iron or nutrients in your body. Also, be patient and your hair will surely grow. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope to see you on my next video. But before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster. Bye.